So we will be creating PBR shader in Maya. First question is where to get the PBR shader. Just go to polyheavens.com and then in the assets you have the texture tab. You don't need to create any new account. You can just create any download. Just click on and just select your resolution. You can select software compatibility and download. Okay. Interior tiles, rusty metal. You go to rusty metals, textures, you will see rough metal, normal, displacement and diffuse. So let's see how to apply them and use them. The first option is you can use Substance plugin. Okay, you might not have it. Go to Windows, Setting and Preferences, Plugin Manager, and search here Substance. Here in Substance, make sure you have all four turned on. Once it's done, let's copy the path. Substance, apply workflow to maps, and then select multiple maps, paste the path, select everything and select, but it didn't work here. Then you have to do it manually. The diffuse goes to base color, normal goes to normal, roughness goes to roughness, metallic goes to metal. There is no ambient occlusion, that's okay. There is a height which is displacement. Select and then apply. Just by applying, it doesn't apply on it. Material attribute, there's no shader on it. Okay, so where it goes to hypershade. Here's the shortcut. Once you click on it and you see there is a new AI standard surface, just right click and click on graph network. You will see it created a complex shading network. You don't need that, just close it, right click, assign existing material, and this is the latest AI standard surface 1. Just rename it so we won't confuse. I need to go back to hypershade. Select from here. Okay, this is the standard surface. Now we can't see it without rendering it. If you just turn on the texture, you can see something like this, but it is more complex. Since it is a realistic shader, we need a real lighting. So for just seeing purpose, use Arnold SkyDome light. We will be creating a realistic environment for it. So we're going to need a HDRI. So go to assets, go to HDRI, just take any HDRI, event hall interior. I'll taking this 8K download. Now it's downloading. It might take a little time. Okay. What you need to do, just check the download. This is our HDRI, and in the light, select the light, go to colors, and there is option box, click on it, select file and go to the folder and just browse in the download, open. Now you can see the light in the background, and if you just render from Arnold, it will take a while, but it will start. So this is our shader. I believe the displacement is little high. We need to do either to provide it more polygons, but it's distorting more. So we need to fix the displacement manually. Material attribute, displacement, here's the scale. Put it 0.01 something. It will be fine. So this is the first method. In the second way, we will do it manually. Just in case if you don't have the Substance plugin, there is a chance you do not have this plugin. You won't have this Substance. How will you do that? In that case, select a new sphere and this, and we select assign a new material. Assign new material. Arnold shader AI standard surface. We'll name it floor, and let's copy the new folder. Now we will assign the manually. We go to color, file, folder, command V, and we quickly assign all the materials. Here goes diffuse. You got the diffuse material attribute. Next is metalness. So there is no metalness in the floor, so it will be 0 by default. Then next is roughness. File. Important thing for roughness and metalness. When you apply a roughness or metalness, make sure you have the color space raw, and in the color balance you need to turn on alpha is luminance. This will you do for roughness and metalness. Okay, let's go back. Then next is, what else we have? We have normal. So in the geometry we will find bump mapping. Here we need to just apply the file. Maya will do this bump mapping automatically. Then go to bump value and then file. Now we will apply normal, and for the normal we'll just leave as it is. It's already raw and alpha is luminance. Now what we left? We left displacement. How to apply displacement? There is no displacement tab in it. Then when you select a material, there is another node on the left side in the attribute editor, aiStandardSurface 1SG. In this tab you can see the displacement map, and you have to apply your displacement here. Click to file. Here you go to the displacement map and click on it, the black icon, and here you can image name. Just follow along me and you will be able to do it. But in this way, let's check the displacement for this. It is raw and alpha is luminance is on. For it, we need to do the same. It is raw sRGB. Make sure it's raw and alpha is luminance. This is done. Let's render it. We'll have a one glitch with the displacement. Render it. Okay. Something is wrong. Okay. So this is the displacement issue. It's displacing the geometry way too far because we didn't reduce the displacement value. This might happen. Don't worry. Select the displacement and turn the scale to something like 0.01 and maybe 0.1. You can see it's moving the entire geometry up and down. By adding poly, we can have a better displacement. So I suggest just use 0.01 and make sure to cross check with 0 how much it's displacing the geometry. It should be very little. So that's it. This is how you create your PBR shaders. Any doubt and question you can ask.